Sure. What about in the hallway on my floor? I think I seen a purse on my floor, your diary, and your pencil. So get my hallway cleaned up too. You with me supposed to do that. Can have him get it. He's supposed to put it on the counter so I can clean it. All right.
Get this off of me.
Welcome back to the study session. Ooh. Can they see me? Okay. Are you gonna be my helper?
Yeah.
All right, pass me that eraser over there.
Where?
On the table. The big one.
This one?
Yeah.
Hey, why are you erasing that?
Because I'm finna do another question.
Then can I answer it?
We'll see if I teach it good enough.
You're gonna teach me?
Yeah, I'm gonna teach you.
You're gonna teach me like you did at school?
Mm-hmm.
Yay! I'm gonna be like you one day.
Yes, honey. All right, pass me those markers.
All of them? Can't do red.
Okay, we gonna do black as the main color, but red as the graph color, okay?
Okay.
Okay.
I told ya.
We are still finding the area of curves. All right? Come on, me. They're trying to learn too.
Okay.
I actually need a stool to put this on. Oh, maybe I could put it on the couch. Should I do it in the living room? That'll be a little bit easier.
Maybe you could put it on the floor. Maybe you could set it up on the floor couch.
Yeah. Should I do it on the couch, y'all? Do it on the couch, y'all, or do it right here? Y'all let me know.
Can we just do it already?
Hold on. Couch. Get a chair. Let's try a chair first. Push that chair over here.
I'm a strong girl.
Come this way. Oh, you taking it the wrong way. Thank you.
Can we just hurry up? I'm kind of long.
What about this? Let's see if they can see the bottom. I don't know if that's... Oh wait, I'm pushing it more. Turn the camera this way. Yeah, not this way. Yeah. Wait, not that far. Wait. Look on the camera screen and see where we in the middle. Are we in the middle right here? I think that's good. Okay.
Yeah. Wait, that kind of looks.
Wait, how am I gonna write? Whatever.
You could have skipped.
Okay, you guys, this is my study session, and part of the study session is to try and say it out loud so I can retain a little bit extra information.
Yeah.
So we're gonna go through like 10 questions each section. Sorry guys, we gotta get this studying down until I can go through all the answers
And you gotta
correctly
teach me.
without struggling. And we gotta teach Moomies. Push that book over here. We are in Calc 2, you guys. So we're on 6.2. Let's do question number 1. Well, let me see which questions is in the back of the book so I can actually look at the answers. Okay, they do odd numbers. Okay. So we're gonna do number 1. Alright, you gotta move. You gotta be a learner too, honey.
Okay. I'm gonna be a learner. I'm gonna be like you one day.
You are. Oh, this is okay. This is kind of hard.
I'm gonna be like you one day, Mama.
This is kind of
Can I sit by you?
yeah. Okay, because I need to write on it. Oh, maybe I can go over here. No, I'm gonna sit right there, mommy. You can sit right behind me, right on this side. Bring your chair. Hold on. You just get that chair, mommy.
This.
Yeah.
This one? I could sit on it.
Yeah, you can move it over here. You ain't gonna be able to see that.
Yes, I am. I still could see.
Okay. Whoever get the answers wrong, you will be blocked and banished from the live. Okay.
Yay! Yay! Yay!
So this is Calc 2.
Calc 2.
Calc 2.
Calc 2.
Calc 2, yes.
Calc 2.
So we're gonna do number 1. Number 1 is, actually, let's put the numbers up here. Y equals
Y equals
x squared plus 5.
Y equals x squared plus 5.
Good job. So our first step is to draw a graph.
A graph? That's a graph?
Yep.
Can I try to draw a graph?
Yeah, for the next question.
Yay! I get to draw a graph?
So we got 5 right here. We got 3 right here.
Mama, do you even know what you're doing?
Mm-hmm.
No, you do not.
Mm-hmm.
You don't even know.
So this
what
is
you're
getting
doing.
flipped about the x-axis.
Mama, I think.
So if this is the x-axis and I'm flipping something over it, is it going to be on this side? Huh?
Can I show you how to? Can I draw a line?
Girl, you supposed to be learning. Here. You stay on your little corner. Draw something in the corner and leave me alone.
Okay.
It's getting flipped about the x-axis, so that means it's coming out as flipping down. If it was rotating about the y-axis, it'll be rotating this way. But since it's flipping it this way, we flipping it the x-axis, okay? So we're gonna add another part of our graph. And we're just gonna mirror what it does down here. So if it's flipping, it's coming down. Boom. Now with symmetry, you see that? Now since it's getting flipped about the x-axis, we're gonna draw a disc so we can find the radius of it. This is the radius. Okay. I should probably use a different color for the radius. This is the radius, R. Okay? This is called a washer or a disc method.
A disc method.
Now we have to set up the integral. So when we think about our bounds, and we also, since we find in the area, is pi r squared for this, okay? We need to figure out what r squared is. R is just y. It's literally just this name. So since r equals y, and y equals x squared plus 5, but it's actually r squared, we need to square y, okay?
Okay. Square y?
Yeah. So really the integral we setting up right here is pi x squared plus 5 squared dx. We need to find our bounds. What's the smallest this could be? 0. Actually, no, it can't be. The smallest it can be is 10. No, this could be 0 because it starts right here.
Yay!
Good job, Moomy. Actually, I'm lying. This is not 0. This can't be 0.
I messed up the 5.
I think it's 5. Yeah.
Mama?
And then to find the other bound, we have to figure out what this equals when it's at 3. Okay? So 3, oops. Y equals 3 squared plus 5. Y equals 9 plus 5. Y equals 14. So it's 5 to 14. Those are the bounds. Oh, Lordy.
I'm making my own thing.
Good. To integrate this, we take out pi, because that's a constant. Baby, I ain't got enough space, honey. Okay, you're going to have to get out my way. Thank you, Queen. Or come on this side.
Okay.
Pi.
I got a drum inside of here.
Yeah. X squared plus 5. Should we just square, we should just square this, so it would be x4 plus 25. x4 plus 25 dx. Now we got pi x5 over 5. The derivative of antiderivative is 25x. 5 to 14.
Mama?
Huh?
What's
Type
3?
percent f of b minus f of a. Hold on, mommy. 14 to the 5th over 5 plus 25 times 14 minus pi 5/5 over 5 plus 25 equals. Hugh, we're gonna go get my calculator upstairs. Y'all, I'm honestly, fuck it, it's just studying. I was gonna try to teach y'all, but it's on my bed, mommy. But it's actually, before I can actually try and teach y'all, I gotta make sure I got the steps right first. So I just wanna make sure I get at least the first question right before I be trying to, you get what I'm saying? Because I don't know if these bounds is right. I know it's gonna be y, 5 to 14 though.
I'm trying to be like Mama. I got it. I got it.
Thanks.
Okay. Mama, look at what I did.
That's a long, oh wow, man. Good job, man. You can use the eraser, girl, and it's eraser again. You need to. So you pick which eraser you want to use.
Okay. I'm trying to be like you. I'm trying to learn how to spell something.
Okay. Wait.
This is going to be super hard.
Okay. Let's plug it in. So we got pi times. Oh, wait.
Mama, look at what I did.
Ooh, your vowels, honey. Good job, Queen.
What did I spell?
EIA. That's not a word. Wait, this is so wrong.
No, I did it wrong. I'm trying to make a heart. No. It's super hard to make this hard. A perfect one. Okay.
I did this wrong. I just distributed this instead of actually foiling out. That's my problem, trying to be lazy.
Mama, stop shaking it so much. I'm trying to do something.
We actually have to foil, you guys. Yay!
Okay, now.
So we got x to the 4
Mama,
plus 5x squared plus 5x squared 10x squared plus 25. That's what we integrating. Not just, you don't distribute a square root. I don't know where I got that digit from. This is what we integrating. Okay? So we got pi times 5 to 14. Don't forget your dx. Now we got pi 5 to 14. Oops.
They taught me how to make a perfect 2. See?
Ooh, that's nice, honey. x5 over 5 plus x3 over
Mama, what did I do?
Thirds, x third.
What did I do?
25x. X equals 2x. You know what? That would be good, but
What?
you see how it's a different alphabet. It got to be y equals something. How can x equals 2x, girly? So we need y equals 2x or x equals 2y. What you thinking?
This red is running out of letters.
Okay, now we plug in this pi.
Then
14 fifths over 5 plus 10 thirds, 14 cubed plus 25, 14 minus 5 fifths over 5 plus 10 thirds, 5th third plus 25, 5. All right, we should get the right answer now, hopefully. Hopefully.
Mama, what did I do? What did I do, Mama? I did the same thing as you. I did 1 dot y equals x 2 5 plus 5 5.
Good job, Moomies.
So what did I do?
So what this really just means is, it means you set up a graph.
What's a graph?
Let me show you, my friend. Why am I still getting this? Oh. Why am I still getting this big ass number? Like, seriously. I should have just did U substitution. If we let U be x squared plus 5 and du is 2x dx, we still ain't got that.
I'm gonna do something, Mama. What if a circle?
I wish we could do u squared du. How do we get dx by itself divided by 2? Du divided by 2.
Mama, what did I do? What did I do, Mama? Look at what I did.
That's nice, honey. Good job, queen.
What did I make?
You just made an x equals 2.
I made
So
it.
this is x. This equals 2. Boom. You made that graph.
I made a a
Y'all, I
graph.
can't even get through the first question.
I made a graph.
I can't even get through the first damn question.
I made a graph, Mama.
Yes, honey.
What about X?
Let's see if what if this big ass number is right? Let's look at it back. 6.2 number 1.
Plus 5. What did I do now? What did I do now, Mama? What's the X equals 5?
Pi x4 plus to the... Oh, I got that right. Oh, I got it right. Oh. See? I could have... But why I get the same answer?
What did I do?
I did it wrong the first time.
Well,
Oh, wait. No, I didn't get it right. I'm off by like 6 decimal places. What the hell?
what?
I got it set up right there, right here.
One.
Though. That's good. I just don't.
Plus 1, Mama. What's 1 plus 1?
Oh my gosh, I got it wrong. That's why. I'm steady putting in the bounds for the y-axis. Hold on. These bounds are totally wrong. The real bounds is 0 to 3.
Mama, what year
And then if
was
you
I
plug in
born
0 and 3 into this, you should get the right answer.
Mama,
Okay, we're doing another question.
What year was I born in?
2000.
2. Mommy, you gotta stop shaking that.
We're doing number 3 next.
I'm trying to do a perfect 2. I'm trying to do a... Mama, can I draw on one of these?
No, I'm trying to do my homework, honey, and study.
Uh,
3 about the y-axis. Lord have mercy.
2000s? Was it 2000s?
2000. That's when you was born. 2000.
I was born in the 2000s.
Mm-hmm.
Mama, I made the 2000s.
No, you need 3 zeros after 2.
3 zeros after 2?
That's for 2000.
Are it like this?
Good job, honey.
Two-
And if you want to put 2002, you erase the last one and put a 2.
Wait, I'm gonna try to make some. I'm gonna try to make you be smarter. 1. Mama, what's 100 plus 300?
400.
Good job.
Thank you.
Now what's 200 plus 400? What's 200 plus 400? What's 200 plus 400, Mama?
600.
Good job! You're doing good. Great job.
Thank you very much.
Now, oh, I'm gonna try to spell something. Wait, I made a wrong S. So it goes up. Mama, I don't know how to make a S. I did it. I made a spelled sun. What? What did I spell now? What did I spell now, Mama?
M-O-N, Monday.
I spelled Monday?
Mm-hmm.
I'm already kind of spell. What did I spell now? What did I spell now? Yeah! I keep getting the right. I'm learning. I'm gonna be like you one day.
Mm-hmm.
I'm turning into you.
Mm-hmm.
Down, up, down, up. W. E. D. What did I spell now? What did I spell now?
Wednesday, honey.
Yay! Wait, I'm using these words to make it sound like I'm doing a good job. I'm using all these words.
I don't think I'm gonna go that route, honey. I don't think we wanna go that route, honey.
Mama, look it. Did I make another paragraph?
I'm talking about Annie.
Dana. Mama, did I make another paragraph? Wait, I want to do something. I'm going to see if I could make something.
And if you want this cat, you gotta spin it.
I'm trying to make a house. I'm trying to make a house. Mama, look it.
And if you want this cat, you gotta spin it.
Look at what I made.
Ooh, girly pop.
Mama, I'm gonna try to make you.
Ooh, I did this wrong. I don't know why I'm trying to do cylindrical shells at 6.3. That's actually 6.3.
even look yet.
Okay.
Now you can look.
Oh wow, is that me?
Yeah,
Looking good, honey.
and I know how to draw. And I know how to draw choo choo.
You do?
Yeah.
Oh hell no, please. You gotta solve for X. Oh, I should have kept that. Ooh.
I don't really know how to draw choo choo hair. I'm trying my hardest. I tried my hardest.
That's okay, you can keep trying, honey.
I don't like it.
I like it.
I'm trying to make a star. I'm trying to make this star. How do we make a perfect triangle? I'm trying to make a perfect triangle, Mama. Mama, can you show me how to make a star?
Not right now, Moomy.
Hmm. I kind of made a star. Wait a minute. Mama, look it. Wait, don't look. Don't look. I'm gonna try to make you be smart.
The bounds are 1 to 9. Not 0 to 9.
Mama, where's the figure out where to go by these. Wait, don't look. Okay. hard. Mama, where do you go? Where do you go in my maze? Ooh, I want to try that. I want to try. Then you go that way, then that way. And then you made a 5 first. And then you made that. And then you made a 3. And then you made a X. And then you made another.
All right, let's see if I got this right. Let's see. I got 53.3 pi. 53.3 pi. Do you think
I don't like it.
3. I got pi. 1 to 9. They got 96 pi over 5. How? 96
Mama,
pi over 5. I know how to set it all up at least, but I don't know how to do the integral. Wow. This is trash.
I did what you did. Do you like it?
Yes, honey.
First I did that, then 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 I did that,
I don't like
then I
this
did
light.
that, then I did that, then I did that. But I don't really like it. I don't like it 100%.
Not 100%.
Nope. Not even infinity percent. Oh wait, I'm gonna try to draw infinity.
Do you think I'm strange? Pi y to the 2/3. Boom. And then
I
since the
made
sun
it.
lies between 0 is fine. 0 pi y to the 2/3. Oh, it's not 5/3, it's 3/5. Ah, I'll be so close, y'all. I need to work on my geometry or whatever the fuck it is.
Mama, look at what I drew.
So it's 3/5 y 5/3. Okay.
Look at what I drew.
Good job on me. So for the first 2 questions, we have been able to set it up, but we have not been able to get to this point yet. How is that 3/5? That's what I'm not understanding. Oh, because it got to be over 3/5, so you flip it. Okay. My bad. You're going to get it. Let's get some more down. Good job, Mooms. Okay, for these questions, we just got to set up an integral.
Mama, can I draw in this one? Can I draw in this one too?
Mm-hmm.
I could draw in this one? Yay! Okay. I'm going to have some more space. I'm going to try to do something super fast. Mama, look at what I did.
Good job, honey.
Look at how fast I could go. Look at how fast I could go, Mama.
Do you think I'm strange?
I'm trying to do something super fastly. Wait a minute. I'm trying to make something like a paragraphic. I'm trying to make something like a paragraphic. Wait, I think I know how to make a I think I know how to make something. Oh no. Do not put that right there because that equals that because that equals this, that, do that, these, that equals that, at, or the, that, at equals at.
Good job, Moomy. You don't give shit, I tell you that.
No, I'm not.
Yes, you is.
No, I'm not.
Why do you think that?
Because everything they draw is this scribble.
So?
Wait, I'm gonna try to make something, but is this gonna be scribble? That equals that, that. I'm just gonna scribble out over these two. Mama, can I mix these colors? Can I mix some colors together?
Mm-mm.
Why?
You can do that with your markers on some paper, maybe.
This is how it will feel if you didn't let me mix the colors.
Wow.
Sad.
Sad, ain't it?
And then let me make my phone.
I don't know what to do when you square a natural log, I'll be honest. I really don't.
And then I will go to my phone. And then I will put it to my ear, and then I will call Dada and say that Mama.
Oh, it says don't evaluate, just set it up.
And then when I call Dada, I will say, Mama won't feed me.
What the why?
Because you won't want me mix the colors up. That's how we'll do.
That's my answer. Let's check the book.
This is my answer when you don't let me do something. And then I will feel like this.
6.2, what one are we on? 5 pi ln x squared dx 1 to 3. Oh, 1 to 3. Not 1 to natural log 3. Oh my gosh, I've gotten everyone wrong. Even if it's just little, but goddamn.
I will turn into a gun and shoot you. And that's how I will feel if you don't let me mix the colors.
Let's do number 7.
let me do that again. And then I will say, oh no! And then I would scream, oh no, no! And this is how I would do it. This is how I would scream so loudly. I would scream like this super loudly. I would feel sad, and then I would call Dada, and then when him say, huh? I would say, Mama didn't feed me. And then when him said, I'm coming home mistaking you because you're lying, and then I'm gonna scream, oh no, no! And then I would turn into a gun and shoot Dada. That's how I would feel.
Sounds like a good story, honey.
I know how to make a story. That's my story. This is my storytelling book.
Oh, wow, honey.
And then this is what it would do. It will walk straight that way, this way, that way, that way, this way, that way, this. See? This is where it will walk. And then it will make, and then it will scream, and then it will turn, vanish me, and then it will scribble all over the place like this. And that's how my book tells that it will, can I use this? Yay. Oh, it could stick to here. Okay, now I'm going to be very close. And then I'm gonna then I will grab this and erase a little bit of this and a little bit of that. And then I will stick this part onto the T and then pull it off and then stick it up and then wash it all off. And that's how I make football thing. Mama, stop it.
You stop it.
I'm not doing nothing. All I'm doing is leaning on. I gotta make it a little bit shorter. Yay! Yay!
Okay, that's my answer. Let's see.
Why do you always gotta see it on your calculator?
So I can make sure I'm doing the right thing.
And then I gotta. And then I.
Oh my!
You got it wrong. I'm trying to make an answer to all these questions that you made. Why are you shaking your head? Know that I can't make a question, that I can't make the right answer for.
Girl, I ain't worried about you. I am not worried about you. I did this in terms of X instead of Y. Okay. What's the problem?
Circle.
Oh, this is 8Y. Okay, let's redo.
This is what I'm gonna try to make something.
Okay, so when you're doing the washer method, flipping the y-axis, you have to solve for x squared. When you're doing this, you have to solve for x. So this would be x equals y squared, and this would be x equals square root of 8y. So now you got
Mama, are this the answer? Are this the answer, Mama?
How big is square root of 8y squared minus, hold on, square root of x squared.
I think I did the answer.
The answer to what?
It is.
So now you got pi 8y minus y, I mean. Wait, is this square root of y? Y squared, this must be y. X equals y squared, not square root of y. So now you got 8y minus y to the 4th. Take out y. Ooh.
Yeah.
I still think that's wrong though. I forgot what the answer was. Eight y minus y 4. Oh, you can just leave it like that. Oh, you can't take out no y. Good job, Lily.
Mama, look at it.
Let's do another one like that. So I
Look
can...
at what I made. Look at what I made. Look at what I could do look at what I could do. I could do something while I'm using my. I learned how to snap.
Good job, Lily.
And I know how to snap like this.
Period. Good job, honey.
Now I don't gotta put it up to my two people's ears. The answer is this. That's the answer.
Oh, wow.
This is the answer. That's the answer to this. How do you make that? Can I copy you? Don't go without me. Okay, now you could go.
I forgot how to do a sine graph.
What's a sine graph? That's a sine graph? Wait, let me try that. Okay, so that, and then you did this. Okay, now you can go.
Well, we gonna need some more space, honey.
No,
I gotta
don't
redo.
you better not use my space. I got you way down here. I'm making my own masterpiece. Mama, do you want to play arts and crafts?
Nope, I'm trying to do homework.
Why?
Good.
Let me try that. I did it. Then you did. I don't like that. And then you made that. What did you do? Then you did. Okay, I did that. Guess what I'm drawing?
I think it's 4.
Mama,
I think it is 4.
I want you to hurry up. I want you to hurry up.
I think it's 4.
Okay, so do a 4. So do 4. What you waiting for? Mama, can I use a different color?
Well, how did I get this?
Can I use a different color now? I'm tired of using red. Can I use a different color now? Mama.
R big minus R small.
Can I use a different color now?
No.
R big out over small? So it must be this. Maybe you gotta erase to these sides.
Which girl? I think it's gonna be sine of x minus. Two minus sine of x.
2 minus sine of x?
Mm-hmm.
What's 2 minus sine of x? I got sight, and you got sight too. So what's 2 minus sine of x? So what's 2 minus sine of x? 2 minus sine of x. 2 minus sine of x. 2 minus sine of x. 2 minus. That's your little area, and this is my little area.
Okay.
These is my squares, and these is your squares. Are these squares over here? Are yours. These squares over here is mine.
Okay.
Are that fair?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, I can use this square, all of these squares are mine, and these squares are yours. Got it?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Hey, this one don't got any more red. This one don't got any more red, Mama.
You done used up my marker.
I think there's no more red.
Girl!
There's no more red.
I'm stressed the hell out of you.
I need more coloring. I want to color more. Mama, I saw the video of somebody having these markers, and then when they ran out, like mom got a watermelon, and then they put it aside, and then there was more red. Can we try that trend?
Maybe. Maybe so, honey.
We could try we could try it. Can I use that yellow?
No, girl. Didn't you just use up my marker? No.
Mm-hmm.
Go color and write on your papers and coloring books, honey.
Mm-hmm.
And find some more markers. Thank you, Queen. Is it still big versus big minus small? Or not? Y equals 2. Oh, this is y equals negative 2. Okay. We got it, Erica. We can do it. Oh. We can do it. We can do it.
I got a better setup than you. This is my setup. This is what I used to draw.
Oh, wow, mommy.
My setup.
Tonight.
Mama, why
Okay, let me just try to keep going. So I think if it's our big minus small, big is, this is the sine of x plus 2. So I think it should be the sine of x plus 2 squared minus, I don't think that's right, but minus the sine of x squared, I think. Another one I still can't get. It's not that. Sine neck minus 2 because it's shifted right. Where is it shifted right at? We reflecting on the 2. We reflect. It's not shifted. Let's see. What is this, number 9? 2 plus sine x squared. 2 plus sine x.
My setup is better.
So they got 2 plus sine. Okay, I was close. I just needed to keep going. They got 2 plus sine x squared minus 4. That's what they got. 2 plus sine x squared minus 4. I got this. I don't know what this is, honey. Don't know where I think they got this from.
I'm almost
Where did they get
finished
this
with my
from?
homework. Mom, I'm almost finished with my homework.
Oh,
My
because
teacher
this
gave
is
us
the
some
smallest
extra
it can be. 2 plus 2, 4. Okay, I got it.
My teacher.
Come on, Erica. Get at least one right all the way. Moomies, I'm sorry. Please. I'm trying to study. Thank you, Queen. I have yet to get anything all the way right, y'all. Like, I have yet to. I have yet to go through all the questions.
You mean you got to go do all the questions?
Mm-hmm.
Why you say yeah?
I have yet to because I haven't got a question all the way right yet. I'm always getting something wrong. I'm always getting something wrong. All right, let's do 5 more.
Mama,
These next 5, I'm gonna get right though. I got it. I got it. I'm telling you, I got it.
Do you by any chance want to be a teacher?
I used to want to be a teacher when I was younger, Mommy.
Do you still want to?
Hell no.
Then why was you used to be a teacher when you was younger?
I wanted to be a teacher when I was younger because I just wanted some friends. So I thought if I become a teacher, I would have friends. You know?
By any chance, a scientist, a doctor? By any chance, a firefighter?
We know.
Yay.
I just wanted to be a teacher. Okay. We got this one, y'all. This one is us. This one is all us. All right, let me speak confident like I know what I'm doing, and maybe it will come to me like I know what I'm doing.
Yay.
So we got y equals x plus 1, y equals 0. Let's draw our graph, and it's rotating on the x-axis, so that means it's going to flip down. So we want enough space so we can flip it down. We got x, we got y. All right, they wanted between 0 and 2. So let's put that 2. That's what we got that for, between 0 and 2.
Yay.
Those are our bounds. Y equals x plus 1. So if we plug in 2, it would be 3.
I could mix these up by myself.
And that is a straight line. Oop.
Did anyone order a cappuccino?
Oh wait, that don't even make sense. Y equals, it wouldn't start at 0, 0. It would start at 1.
Mama.
Up 1, yes. I'm not good at straight lines, you guys. Forgive me. Okay.
You're not good at straight lines. Then you gotta get taught by me. I'm the expert at making straight lines.
And then the second line is y equals 0. So that's just this. And since they didn't give us no bounds, we have to figure out when does this equal 0. And I think it's just negative 1. But since the boundaries is between 0 and 2, this is all we got. So we flipping it. Let's go ahead and flip it over the x-axis. See that symmetry right there, honey? See that symmetry? Now we're going to do the washer method. So we're going to draw a disc right here.
I'm trying to draw a water park.
And this is the radius. Since we are doing pi r squared, we want to find what r is. R is just y. So r equals y equals x plus 1. R squared is x plus 1 squared. Right? Okay. So now we set up, or try to set up, our pi r squared, which would, our integral. This is where I get confused at the bounds. I think the bounds are 0 to 2. I think the bounds are 0 to 2. That's just my guess. And now you got pi x plus 1 squared dx. Are they going to FOIL this? Let's just put both just in case. Pi x squared plus 2x plus 1 dx. All right. Oh, we actually got to find the volume? Oh.
Yay.
Oh, I actually have to integrate? Oh.
I'm making a tsunami. Tsunami is super scribbly.
This is going to be 0. If you got plug in 2 into these, you got 2 times 2 is 4 times 2 is 8 divided by 3. So we got 8 thirds plus 2 squared is 4 plus 2. All times by pi. So if we got 8 thirds plus 4, 4 is 12 thirds. 8 plus 12 is 20 thirds plus 26 pi over 3. Do y'all think I got that right? 26 pi over 3?
Nope.
No? You don't think that's right?
Nope.
I think 26 pi over 3 is good.
Nope.
I think I got it.
No, you do not. Check on your calculator.
I think I got it. What if I look at the back of the book and hold on, let me double check my work. Okay. R. Pi r squared. R is y. X plus 1 squared. We did the integral. Is the bound 0 to 2 though? That's where I be getting fucked up at. Is it 0 to 2? I think it is 0 to 2.
Is the bound 0 to 2?
So then we plugged in 2 for this. This, if we plug in 0, is going to be 0 anyway, so we ain't need that. 8 thirds plus 12 thirds, that's 20. 2 is 6 thirds, 26 pi over 3. All right, let's look. I'm confident in this answer. I'm kind of confident in this answer. I'm sorry, I am. 26 pi. Finally! We got it. Okay, I got it right. Give me my 10s. Thank you very much. Finally, after 10 questions, we got one right. Okay?
Meow, 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 meow.
Let's keep going.
Mama, look at what I can do. Wait, I can't.
We gotta do this until I can do a question without checking my notes. I gotta just make sure I got it down. But it's really the trig and the algebra and geometry parts that be messing me up, honestly. Okay, 13.
I did something.
Y equals square root of x plus 1. X minus 1.
Now I gotta use my kid
Y
again.
equals 0. X equals 5, rotated x-axis. Okay, class. Let me put my glasses on since I'm feeling smart now. I got one right.
Yay! This one, I'm gonna get the question right.
So we rotating the x-axis again, so we flipping down. Let's make sure we got enough space. Our bounds are, well, we're gonna see the bounds because, yeah. X, y equals square root of x minus 1. So if we got 1 minus 1 is 0, so it will be 1, 0. So boom. And basically, we just moving y square root of x to the right one. All right.
Huh?
Now we're rotating it against the x-axis. Okay, but they only want it until x equals 5, so we got 1 right here, and they only want it until about 5, okay? So we're going to chop that graph in half. And this is what we find in the area of, okay? Oh, I got to start using my colors, man.
I can't draw.
The colors are for y'all to, this is the color of that graph, you feel me?
The paragraphic. You mean the paragraphic, Mama?
Yeah, cool. Y equals 0. All right. What's the first step? Anybody know?
I know.
We already did the first step.
I know.
It was
Mama.
drawing a graph, honey. Now the second step.
I know the second step.
What's the second step?
That's the second step.
Yeah.
You already did this step.
Yeah. So what's the step? What I just draw now?
You
A
do
washer.
a washer.
Or just say this, because it ain't really no inner radius, honestly. Okay? And this is the radius. And to find the radius of this, we're doing pi r squared.
I'm helping Mama with her homework.
Good.
Are you letting the learners see the board? So what's r again? R is y. Since r equals y equals square root of x minus 1. And it's supposed to be pi r squared. So it's pi.
Mama, Dada, do you want to play with? Dada, do you want to play?
Who knows what happens when you square a square root? What happens when you square a square root? Anybody know? Anybody know? Anybody know?
Not me. Oh wait, I do know.
You know, what does it do?
Huh?
What happens with a square root in the square?
What happens when the square root in the square?
What happens?
That
It
makes,
cancels out.
it cancels out.
Good job. Chat said it cancels out. Good job, chat. Good job. So now we have pi x minus 1. Okay, so this is gonna be an easy integral. This is gonna be super easy, hopefully, I think. So let's set up the integral. So our bounds are 1 and 5. This is where it starts. Honestly, I don't think that's our bounds. I need to work on how to find the bounds, y'all. That's what I need to work on. I want to say 1 and 5, but the radius can be 0 right here.
And the kid is behind it, and a metal finna drop on him, and the mom is super sad because he's about to get crushed, and him
let's just say 1 and 5,
know
guys.
how to swim.
1 and 5, okay? So this is the integral. X minus 1 dx.
Skibbity.
We always take the constant off the integral, so we put pi in the front.
Skibbity.
And now we left with x minus 1 dx. Now you find the antiderivative. So the antiderivative of that is x2 over 2 minus x 1, 5. Now let's plug it in.
What is the other?
So we have pi. 5 squared over 2
pizza?
minus 5 minus pi times 1 squared over 2 minus 1. So we got pi times 25 over 2 minus 25 over 25 over 2 minus 10 over 5. Wait, I need to put this up. 25 over 2 minus 10 over 2. 25 over 2 minus 10 over 2 is 15 over 2. Minus
9 over 2 minus 10 over 2.
1 half minus 2 half is negative 1 half. So minus negative 1 half, which would just be plus 1 half. So now we got 16 pi over 2, which would just be 8 pi.
How would you?
Do y'all think I got that right?
Nope.
No?
Nope.
That sounds right to me. Unless my balance is wrong.
Nope.
But that looks good to me. This
Nope,
is
it
looking
do not.
good.
Nope, it do not.
This is looking good. What we thinking, chat? Yeah?
Nope, it do not.
All right, let's check the book.
Nope, it do not.
Let's check the book and see.
Nope, it do not. Ooh.
What question was on 13? 8 pi! Yes, honey.
Daddy, can I play on your other
8
side?
pi, honey. I got it.
Why?
All right, y'all. That's 2 questions right. So we're going to keep
Why,
practicing
Dada?
up until question 20 for section 2, 6.2, just to make sure I keep getting them right and I'm more confident and can do it on the test. Okay? And we might redo the first couple questions I got wrong, just so I can keep practicing. That's how you say keep doing them. You finna be my board eraser. How about that? So when I need you to erase my board, you gotta come do your job. Okay?
Okay.
I'm gonna let you know. Okay, now let's move on to.
That's how yours was,
Okay.
All right.
Better?
X equals.
You want more cheese
square
bread?
root of y.
Yeah. More
X equals
cheese.
0, y equals 9.
More.
X equals
That's all I got
0.
for you.
Yeah.
Your crunch got key, you know.
Y equals 9.
Bye-bye.
And we rotating y-axis. Okay, we're rotating the y-axis, so we're going this way. Did you have a good dream? No? All right. X
I don't
equals.
think I dreamt like that.
Let's solve this for y. Okay. Let's go ahead and solve that for y, you guys. X equals 2 square root of y divided by 2 divided by 2. 1 half x equals square root of y, square root. Y equals 1/4 x squared. Y equals 1/4 x squared. Okay. Okay, let's write that up here. Pi equals 1/4 x squared. Oh, shit. Oh. Trying to make sure my chat is in there. Alrighty, so I know what x squared, when you multiplying by a fraction, is that shrinking it? I don't know if we're shrinking it. Let me just put on my graphing calculator.
When you multiply by a fraction, it gets smaller.
Oops. Oh my gosh. One fourth x squared. Let me see what that gives me. It actually makes it larger. Okay. So now let's go to the table so I can graph it real good. And they want it from 0 to... Wait, huh? It's rotating the y-axis, ain't it? Oh, y equals 9. Let's do that in red. Oh, fuck it. I'm gonna do it in yellow. Y equals 9. Y equals 9. So when it hits 9, it actually hits the x-axis at 6 from what I see on my graph. We could have did that algebraically too if y equals 9 and we plug in and solve all that, but no. Don't feel like it. So now we got 6, 9. We got 6, 9. And we got a giant parabola. And we're finding the area of all of this shit, okay? So now we're going to draw our representative slice. Oh no, that's wrong. Sorry. Wrong way. Getting ahead of myself, honey. That's radius. Since it's not up and down, it doesn't equal y, it equals x now. And since we know what x is, we can just square what x is. Since we're doing pi r squared, okay? So since r is x, which is this, we got pi 2 squared with y squared. I'm pretty sure that's just 4y. Pretty sure that's just 4y, buddy. Are we sure about that? Let's plug in 4 right here. That's 4 times 2, 16. 4 times 4 is 16. Let's put in 9 right here. 2 times 3, 6, squared, 36. 9 times 4 is 36. Okay. So now that we find out our integral, because this is what we're integrating, pi r squared. We're always integrating pi r squared, okay? So now that we got pi r squared, we can do pi 4y dy. Am I confident in this? Yeah. And then we can go from 0 to 9. I hope. Okay. And then let's do pi 0 to 9, 4y dy. Now we got pi. Let's do 2 over 2, 2y squared. 0 to 9, since that's 0, 9 squared is 81. 81 times 2 is what? What is 81 squared? Anybody know? 81 times 2. 162 pi. Do y'all think that's right? 162 pi? Then we didn't need to solve for this then. I could have left that. I could have left that for surely. 162 pi. How was that sounding? Does that sound like I got it right? All right, let me check in the book. Let me check in the book. 162 pi, honey. All right. Okay, so maybe it's the word questions that throw me off because I was not getting these right in the beginning. I need to do some harder ones, work on my algebra. That's what I need to do. I need to do some harder ones. All right, y'all. Okay. It's been about 2 hours, ain't it? I think it's time we work on 6 point. Oh no, we need to work on the midpoint rule because I totally forgot that one. Let's do like 2 midpoint rule questions. So the midpoint rule is so basically you cut it into circles and then you find the middle one. Okay, let's just do 1 midpoint rule question and then we'll be good. We'll be good. Let's see if we can get into some midpoint actions. Oh, actually, let me look at the questions my teacher gave me this thing. Oh. And we got to do 6.5. We're going to do 6.5 tomorrow, though. Okay. Let's do a kidney bean like them. We got 6.2, 7.2, 6.8, 5.6, 5.0, 4.8, 4.8. So the midpoint rule. Let's break it down. No, bitch, you break it down. Let's see. 2 meter intervals. What the hell is this one? 2 meter intervals. Okay, so boom, 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 boom. I should have used a different color. My bad, y'all. It's my first day being a teacher. So what we just breaking these up into sections so we can do the midpoint. The midpoint is going to be this, obviously. 6.2, midpoint, 6.8, midpoint, 5.0, midpoint, 4.8. This was checked at 2 meter intervals. So we're going to do 6.2 times 2 plus 6.8 times 2 plus 5.0 times 2 plus 4.8 times 2. Okay. All right. I don't feel like doing the math, but let's do it just to make sure if I get it right. 6.2 times 2 is 12.4. I think I can do this by hand. Save some time. Would that be 12.4? Let's just assume. 12.4 plus 13.4. What the hell is this? 6 times 2 is 12. 0.8, 12, 13. Would that be 12.6? Or would that be 13.2? It gotta be in the 13s because it's over 6.5. It's 13.6. It is? Okay. 13.6 plus 10.0 plus 9.6. 9.6. 12 plus 13 is 25 plus 0.4, that's 26, 36, 46, that is 45 point, 45.4. 45.4. Is that right? Or nah? It's 45.6. Let's see. 12.4 plus 13.6 plus 10.0 plus 45.6, honey. It was close. Alright, so the answer is 45.6. So let's check. Let's check and see. Let's check and see. Let's check and see what we want to be. 56. So this was question 56 and 6.1. 56 is, oh shit, I done did a even question. Well, how the hell am I supposed to know I got it right? I'm just gonna assume it was right. Looks like it was. We ain't doing no more kidney bean ones. Alright, we're gonna do a little bit more 6.2 just to make sure I got it. And then we're going on to 6.3, cylindrical. 6.2 is just washers and discs. I really need to do some hard ones that like got a lot of calculus in it, like derivatives of natural log or some shit, you know? Of the natural laws of some things. Okay. So on 6.2, he got us doing, let's just do this one. These gonna be the last questions, y'all. Well, 6.2 and then. So let me draw the graph first. And we got 1, 1. 1, 1. And we have this shape here. Oops. We have this shape here. Okay. Boom. And this equals this is y equals x. This is y equals 4 square root of x. 4 root x, okay? We got O. We got A. We got B. And we got C. The first question is, we want to rotate R1. Where the hell is R1? Oh, wait, I got to draw the whole square for y'all to see here. Okay. This is R1. This is R2. And this is R3. So for the first question, we want to rotate R1 about OA. So we want to rotate this triangle on the x-axis. So let's go ahead and draw that. This is 1, but we already know that. This is the side, Then we find the area of. Okay. Let's draw our washer. Let's find our radius. Our radius is y. Y equals x. So if r equals y equals x, r squared equals y squared equals x squared. We got pi r squared, that means we got pi x squared. Okay? That's what we're integrating. Our bounds are from 0 to 1. And we got pi x squared dx. Take pi out, you got 0, 1. You got x squared dx. Pi times x cubed over 3. 0 to 1. So the answer is pi over 3. I think. Don't quote me on that, because I probably just did that all wrong. That's a little too easy, Eddie. That was a little too easy. And would that be pi over 3? Let's see if we got it right. Pi over 3. Let's see. Oh, I'm all the way in 6'3". Let me get back to 6'2", honey. Let me get back to 6'2". Oh, this kind of like this one. It is like this one. It's number 29. Okay. Number 29, don't do me wrong, man. Don't do me wrong. Number 29. Number 29. Come on, give me something. Pi over 3, yay! All right. Okay, this is the last one for real since I'm getting the... No, but we need to do a hard one. Let's do another one of these. I need to do one with some ease and some natural logs and some... I think that's 6.3. Yeah, I think that's 6.3 where it's... Okay. Okay, let's do one more that's on this board. R1 about AB. Nope, that's even. Oh, wait, yes. R1 about AB. So let's rotate R1 about the line AB. We got AB right here, so we rotate them this way. And this is R1. R1 again? No, let's not do R1. That's too easy. Let's do R3 about AB. I should work on that one because I don't know how to do that one. Just even looking at it makes it. Ooh, honey. Okay, let's just do this one. R3 about AB. Okay. Got this. We got this. And then they want to rotate it at x equals 1. So when you rotate it, you got boop, boop. All right. And now we gotta find our radius. Okay. This is our big. This is our small. He's still doing pi r squared. See? Look how I get caught up on these ones. These are ones I need to be practicing. So if we got Alright. So it would be pi it would be 4 square root of y of x minus, oh, we gotta square these, minus, what's the small one? X, right? Minus x squared. So now we got pi square root of x minus x squared. Now you got pi square root of x minus x squared dx. If this is 1 and this is 0, then this is 2. I think the bounds are 0 to 1. So now we got pi 2/3 x 3/2. No, that's 1/2. We got 1 x 1/2. So we got 1/2 x 3/2 over 3/2 times by 2/3. 1/3 x 3/2 minus x cubed over 3. 0 to 1. This don't even make sense. Ooh, is the bound 0 to 2 actually? I think the bounds are 0 to 2 actually. What are the bounds? Maybe it's 0 to 1. So if we plug in 1/3, 2 3/2 minus 2, 3. Something ain't right. Something just ain't right. I think I got this fraction wrong. Yeah, this is not supposed to be 1/3. This is supposed to be 2/3. That's supposed to be 2/3, right? Let's see. Something ain't right. What the hell is this? Let's just do 4/3 to the 3/2 minus 8/3. Let me look and see if I at least set it up right. What was this? R3 about AB? Number 35. Number 35. 13 pi over 45. Let's see if that equals what I got. 13 pi over 45. Nah, I got 0.7. I need to figure out where I've gone wrong. Where have I gone wrong? So, we got big minus small. Let's make sure this is right. Let's see if we got something here. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. That's the same as square root of 8. Okay, so this is right. Pi r squared. R big squared minus r small. Yes. So if we got this, boom, minus let me tell chat to tell me what I'm doing wrong. This is R3 about AB, right? Am I doing 11 right? I usually ask chat, am I doing the question right, and have them tell me where I'm fucking up at. Yes, yes, yes. No, that's not 3. It's not cube root 3. It's 4 root. That's one thing I don't like. It be fucking up my numbers. Y equals 4th root, okay. So the curve is x equals y 4. Oh, wait. I was supposed to solve for x. Oh! I was supposed to solve for x, man. Okay. Let's do another one. So these ones, I'm solving for x. Or am I? Yes, because the derivative is x. The radius is x now. So you have to find what x is. Fuck it, let's do it. So if we got y equals 4 root x, 4, x equals y to the 4th. Okay. And then we got y equals x for the x, so x equals y. Okay. Now we got our derivatives. Y, that's y 4th minus y. Oh wait, we gotta square these. dy. 0 to 2. Okay. Pi 0 to 2. You got y8 minus y squared dy. Nah, this don't look right. This don't look right, man. Oh, I guess it is. We could take y out both of these. Or y squared, honestly. We could take y squared out of this. So now we have y squared times y6 minus 1. Oh no, it's y4. Because you gotta multiply them. Wait, is we multiplying them? Yes. y4. Now we find the antiderivative. Or do we? Oh, dy. So now we have I really, why can't I keep it like that? That's what I want to know. Oh, I gotta foil it out. Oh my god. Ah, wait, huh? How? Oh. This don't even make sense. Because why they ain't got no y taken out? Where they get 1 from? Where is they literally getting 1 from? This is why I don't trust chat. Because this ain't right. This ain't right. Chat got a different answer. Let me look at the back of my book and see again. is 13 pi over 45. 13 pi over... Wait. Oh, it's 39. Hold on. 17 pi over 45. Which one am I doing? About AB. R3 about AB. 39. 17 pi over 45. Why can't we keep it like this? Y9 over 9 minus Y3 over 3. And then add that up. That's what I want to know. I'm going to do it my way. I'm running out of marker. Oh, wait. All right, let's see. So we got 512 over 9 minus 8/3. So it's really 512 over 9 minus 24 over 9. Nope, that's so wrong. That's literally like so fucking wrong. No, that's so wrong. That's so wrong. I hate this. Let's see if Chad can get it right this time.